Hello guys, good evening! Dinner na naman. Yung problema natin everyday, ano papakain natin sa ating mga anak, mga asawa. Papakain natin. You know, mga problema natin everyday, mga problema natin na anong papakain. So for today's menu para sa mga Amerikano kong mga ambisyoso at mga pihikan na mga kasamahan sa bahay is spaghetti. So ngayon, hindi kumain si Ivory nito, unfortunately. So frozen kasi siya, kaya ito ginawa ko. Naku, ang mahal na ngayon ng ano dito guys, ng tawag nito. Ng karne, ng ground meat. So, good evening sa inyo. Hello Karin, Concha, hello Yvette, hello Janice. Ayan, welcome sa ating live mga loves. Hello Karin Concha, ayan, Nobyembre 30, hello. It's been a while, hindi kita nakikita, madam. So, welcome. Kumusta? Hello, Yvette. Hello, Joanne Liamos from Japan. Buhay, mami. Yes, di ba? Ang sakit ng ulo everyday. Anong pakain sa breakfast, anong lunch, anong dinner. So, ngayon naman, it's been a while na hindi ako nakaluto ng, tawag nito, spaghetti na American style. Hindi ko alam yung spaghetti sa... Noon, alam ko paano mag-spaghetti sa Pinoy. Pero ngayon, parang hindi ko na alam kung paano. So, this way, ito lang yung pasa talaga. Tapos, frozen pa to, guys. Okay. Just text. Just use the text. You text? You text? So, ayan siya. Ganyan na natin. Lagyan na natin sa... At saka, naglinis din ako. Finally, guys, nakalinis ako sa aking... Tawag nito. Sa aking stove. Ayan. Nilinisan ko siya. Yung para exhaust ba? Exhaust ba yan? Hello, thank you sa nag-send ng 200 stars. Jessica. Ayan, ipin natin si Madam. Thank you so much, Jessica Novincido, for the 200 stars. So, Ivory? So, naglinis ako ng aking para maaliwalas naman siya tomorrow pag magluto. Hold on. Saan ba yung aking pamunas? Hindi ka pa kanina eh. Ayan. So, everyday problem, diba? Nagluto na ako ng, nag-init na pala ako ng tubig, hindi nagluto. Init na ako. Hello, Brian. Last day, ayan, nakalinis na ako sa aking stove. Ayan. I'm so proud kasi mga isang buwan din, 2 buwan ba. So, lutuin na natin to. Kasi medyo frozen pa to eh. So, damihan ko na lang siya. Tapos isang para init-init na lang later. No? Kano Italian sauce gusto sa atin sweet eh. Oo, Karen, di ba? Ayan. Hello, Divine Arbol. Hello, Jane Gradio. Hello, Susan Siralde. Good morning. Hershey Cheng. Frozen pa to. Pero, what I like to do with my, I don't know how you guys do it, but what I do like to do with my raw meat is nilalagyan ko siya ng salt and pepper. Para lang, at saka nakalinis na rin ako konti sa aking pantry. Ayan. Ang aking pantry, at least, kahit papano, hindi siya makalat, diba? Nasaan yung favorite kong, So, salt, and I need pepper. Hindi magkasya. Hindi siya magkasya. Kailangan ko lang ng pepper. Ayan. So, lagyan ko lang siya ng konting salt. And this is how I do it, guys. So, there's no, I realize na there's no... Tapos maraming Italian seasoning later. So I realized, I've learned throughout my life here na there is no rules in cooking. You just have to play with it, be confident, and it should go well, no? Walang rules and regulation, basta alam niyo lang yung mga spices na ito kasi mag-soak kasi yung mga para yung meat ninyo medyo malasa pag nilagyan niyo siya ng ganyan. While you're cooking kasi mostly kasi tawag nito, mostly kasi hindi na nila nilalagyan, pero I like my meat to have a little bit of seasoned na siya before ko nilagay yung tomato sauce. So, I have a story about Sarah Lake, that's a great idea. Don't forget the garlic bread. 6:20 na pala. Yes, kailangan ko palang sa oven ko kasi I have actually a very good yung garlic bread na, I think garlic bread yun. So ayan, frozen pa siya. Zina Carl, hello madam, how are you? I made spaghetti yesterday, yum. So it's been a while, I think this is my first time making spaghetti for you guys. So, my very first couple months when I arrived in America, I thought alam ko magluto ng spaghetti. So yung una kong asawa, he asked me to cook some spaghetti. So nagluto naman ako. So what I did, ganito yung ginawa ko. Pero ganito pa yung meat, nilagyan ko na ng sauce. So pinakuluan ko lang yung sauce, tapos siniserve ko sa kanya. Hindi pa pala luto yung meat. Hindi ko alam na I have to cook the meat thoroughly before ko ilagay ang tomato sauce. Ay nako guys. Hindi nakain kahit aso, hindi kumain. So I've learned from that. Nalutuin pala siya. Kalorky, no? Hello baby Alado, Sini Figorora, Bibit Mansano, hi madam. I do mine, igisa ko muna ang meat with onion, then slow cooker at al dente noodles. Ay nako madam, ayaw ng Miss Gina Altake ni Darian. He hates onion over his dead body. Hello Miss Arlene Mercado, good morning. MBU ladies. So ganyanin ko siya. Nakakaano lang. Sakit sa kamay, abraso to. Kasi ayan. Darren hates onion, Miss Zena Carol. So, no. Onion is not allowed in this house. Kahit he hates it. Hello, Aisa Aray. Lucia Langido, parehara deta ug oras. Is it 6:22 in the evening sa'yo din, madam? Oh, galing naman. Hello, Mike Stevens. I am cooking spaghetti American style, not Filipino style, but American style. Yes, Zina Carol. Hello, Arlene Temtem. Hello, guys. Welcome po. What are you guys having for dinner or for breakfast? So, I forgot that kakain pala tong aking mga alipores. So, gutom na si James. Mom, when are you gonna make the spaghetti? I'm hungry. So, this is my water for my spaghetti. And I like to also put a little bit salt in my water. Para din my... Tapos, I'm supposed to put some oil in there. Ayan. Making steak tonight. Oh, yum. We had steak last night. I made some steak last night. Yan. Magandang umaga. Shrimp din yung spaghetti sauce. Oh, yes. I use up all my mushroom. Pero I have, I think I'm gonna mix my favorite organic mushroom spaghetti sauce that I bought from Trader Joe's. At saka, ito yung favorite ko sa Trader Joe's. Tapos, ang mura lang. Ayan. Spaghetti sauce with mushroom. Ito ang favorite ko. But, since I think it's only 1 pound, so I have 2 pounds na meat. Pag kulang pa siya, I think I'm gonna use just this, ayan, Or, which one? I have another one here. I think it's the same maybe. The other one. Oh, they're the same. So, I will just gonna use this one. If ever not enough yung isa. Nasaan na ba yun? Nasaan na ba yun yung aking ano? Luch. Saan ko ba yung nilagay? Ayan. So, this is my favorite. Minsan, bumibili ako ng 10 of these. No. Oil spaghetti sauce won't stick to pasta. Anong oil to spaghetti sauce? Huh? If I put oil in the pasta, I don't put oil in my pasta. I put oil in this so that they won't stick. The noodles won't stick. Madam. Basta saucy, mas masarap. So I'll just gonna mix them. I think they're not gonna fight. They're gonna adjust. They're on their own tonight. It's my day off for cooking. Miss Marla Victorio, di ba? Oh. So, day off mo, madam, day off. Ako, I don't have a day off, unfortunately. Oh, yan ang favorite ko. Trader Joe's, yan siya na na brand. Yes, oil in water. I always put oil in water. Ayan. It's boiling na siya. And we like to use angel hair. Don't use oil in boiling water, then the sauce won't stick to pasta after draining. Really? We never had the problem, Miss Zina Carol. I always put oil in my pasta because we don't mix our pasta in the sauce. We serve it separately. So when we use it the next day, they don't stick together. That's how they like their do you guys drain the water of this or no? I can't remember. It's been a while. My gosh. I forgot. That's a chef rule. Oh, okay. Maybe if you serve it together, you mix it, the thing. Because what we do is we serve it separately. So, if it's the next day, if we don't put oil, they don't, no drain. Okay, no drain. Okay, thank you. Because it's been a good while. So, you drain it, Miss Maria? I can't remember what I did. Tingnan mo yung Cloud9 ko din. Oh, mahiya kayo sa Cloud9 ko. Marami akong Cloud9. Oh, ayan, meron pa pala ako. Angel hair, ayan. The Vitkatas has flavor. Don't drain the fat. If it's a lot, don't drain the fat. Okay. So, I think it's fine. Fine lang yan siya. Kung hindi fine, well, I'm fine. Do it your way, Joy. Yummy. No, I just forgot. So, ayan. You drain it. I forgot. It's been a while pala. I did not realize it's been a while since I cooked spaghetti. So, I don't remember if I had drained it or not. Thank you. Simmer until dry so the meat will cook. Okay. So, I'm making the whole pasta. Ivory, where are you going, love? Where are you going?
This video is sponsored by Danimal.
Really? How much Danimal money can I get for sponsoring? Huh? And then supposedly this is 8 minutes.
You can save 10,069 billion.
Okay. 4 minutes. Boil for 4 minutes. 4 minutes lang.
You get that much money.
I add a little sugar to my sauce. It's like tablespoon. Otherwise, your sauce will be soapy and fatty. I like that. Sige, i-drain natin.
Hey, make sure it's all in there.
Yeah.
And then keep it. Hey, what's sticking out?
What? Here. Alright, let's drain it para medyo... Kasi it's so much water because the reason it's so much water, it's because I thaw it with water, with a lot of water. That's why. Kanya-kanyang style, pero it's okay, ha? I just like suggestions. Alam nyo, I'm very masunurin. I'm very masunurin, and I don't mind the suggestions that make it better. And you know, if I don't feel comfortable naman, I will not follow. But there's a lot of water talaga siya. O, tingnan mo, oh. There's a lot of water. See, look, plus spaghetti sauce pa on top of that. Your beef, yes, my beef was frozen. Then I soaked it in water. That's why there's a lot of water too. That.
It's almost done already.
Yes.
Is that your meatball? Is this gonna be your? Oh no, it's spilling.
Ay, bunaw.
Wait, I couldn't say. It's spilling.
Bunaw. Yes, konti lang, o, diba? So, perfect. Thank you, Tita Marla. Ayan ang ating spaghetti. So, 4 minutes lang, 2 more minutes. Tapos, i-test natin. We're gonna test. Worcestershire pamantagang unwanted foul smell. Oh, we don't, Kakay Andres, we never really, experienced the fouls, shamton. Ayan, so we're back here. So, ayan na natin. Thank you, Juliana. I like to watching you every day while you're cooking. You're so pretty. Thank you so much. Jocelyn De La Cruz, maing buntag. So, ayan, this is better. At least, no? Ayan, I feel better. I feel it looks better, feel better. And I'm sure it will taste better. Charong. From Iloilo, si Elena. Hello, guys. Thank you for joining. So, ayan. I-mix na natin. Be careful, Ivory. Do. Oh. So, ayan. Charang. So, perfect ang dalawa pala.
Mommy.
Mm.
Mommy.
What?
Where's the gas?
Gas? What gas? Oh, yeah.
Right there. That's like a cloud.
Yes.
Why is there a cloud in the house? Get rid of the cloud. Get rid of the cloud
Ayan.
in the house.
Shopping na tayo. Malaki na ang tax return.
Get rid of the
Ay, naku,
cloud.
madam. Unfortunately, hindi. Walay.
Yeah.
Kulang pa, madam. Bayad pa din. My gosh. Ay, baka expired na to. Parang fat-free din to. Saan ba yung? Parang buti hindi ko siya expired. October 4, 2021.
October 4, 2021.
Buti na lang, very konti lang yung nailagay ko. So, hindi siya. Buti hindi ko siya na ganun lahat. Kasi expired na siya. My goodness. Buti may ay, bunaw. May dalawa akong sauce. Wow, 1 year na, guys. 1 year na pala yun, lechon. Tingnan mo naman. Ayan, 1 year na pala yun.
Is my silver here?
Grabe. 1 year na pala yun. Buti, nakita ko. Don't use it. Just add tomato sauce. Miss Marla, I have 2 of this little guys that they actually like.
Pasta.
What?
Pasta.
Pasta? Hold on. I have to do the test for the pasta. So how do you...
I'll be the tester.
how do you test your pasta?
I'll judge.
If it's cooked already, I'm gonna show you how I test my pasta. Hold on. So this is how I taste my pasta. Hold on. So, if it's thick, alam nyo na if it's thick, lechon, di man ma.
I'm gonna eat it.
Hold on. If it's thick in the wall, it's done. Oh yeah, it's done. Charang!
Can I eat that?
No, baby.
I mean,
Ayan, it's done.
yum.
It's all cooked.
Yum. Time to eat
That's
pasta on the
what.
wall. Can I eat the pasta that was on the wall?
Yeah. I know, don't eat that. Because it fell on the ground, honey.
Yeah. And
So-
that was pasta.
Ayan, hold on. Hold on.
Hey guys, this
Okay.
I need to show them what it's
Okay.
really sponsored by.
Okay.
So I need to
No. I'm looking at you. I'm looking
This
at you.
is my attack with pasta.
Stop.
Okay, $50.
Diba? I don't know where I saw that. I saw it somewhere. Then that's how you know if the pasta is cooked. No, I thought it was hilarious. But, they do it. So, ayan, kunin ko na yung aking pasta. Namatay na to. Ayan.
Pasta, please.
Ayan. Sorry ha, na wala yung ano ko. Ang super, kasi yung aking hair, napaka heavy. Lagyan ko ng pen, hindi siya magstay talaga. Excuse me, no, not yet. Ow, butoy. It's so hot. I have to drain it. Stop.
Hey.
I have to drain it. Hold it. Here you go. You just want pasta, honey?
This is pasta.
Just pasta?
Yeah, here. This is my bowl.
Oh, charang! You want pasta? Grabe, kakalinis ko lang ng kitchen ko. Nag-ano na agad. Ay, punaw. That's what I do when my kids were young. Ah,
Bye.
diba? So, like Ivory, she only eats the pasta. She doesn't eat the sauce. So, kumukulit. Tapos, tingnan mo yung anak ko. Ay, kutsara yung kinuha. So, I have to transfer it dito. So, ganyan lang kami. Watching you. I like the way you laugh. Oh, parang kambing daw. I like the way you laugh. Oh, parang kambing lang. Si Miss Malu. Thank you naman. So, ayan lang siya. Tapos, done na to. Daming inisin after pa nito. Lechon. Aray ko. And now, ayan, that's done. Uy, meron pa pala. Kailangan ko pala ng ano. Oh, di ba? So, we serve it this way. We serve it this way. Ay, nag-share live pala tayo, guys. Nakalimutan ko. Oh, that's how you, if you know the spaghetti is cooked, you throw it in the wall. If it's thick, then that's done. Nasaan na ba yun? Mag-ano tayo. Paki-share live na lang, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. So, ang ating, ayan. Ang ating, mahilig akong magluto ng spaghetti. Buti hindi ko yun na Nung 10 years old, noodles lang din, Miss Gina. Si Agustina Cruz, mahilig din. Hello, Well Inarag. Hello, Marlene. Hello, rinse with cold water. So, noodles don't steak. Maria Coloma, hindi na siya mag-steak. Kasi, na yan may oil. There's oil in it, so it's okay cause, and then if it's cold, then they don't like cold noodles. So, mag-adjust na sila. Sayang ang tubig ko. Ay, ganun. So, ganyan lang siya. Tapos, I love the way you smile, Joy. Lalo kang gumanda. I thank you naman. Now, I'm looking for some love and tonight. Supposedly, ito guys, na-try nyo na to. Hindi ko pa natikman yan. Supposedly, ay, paano ba to? Masarap daw to. Pero, kailangan ko pa siyang... Bata. How long do I cook the sauce? I just boiled it and then it's done. That's it. After it boils, it's done. I don't have a time. Ayan. So right now, because it's already cooked, the meat is already cooked, I just let them simmer. That's it. Miss Zino Carol. Hello, Peya. Ali Somre. Love watching your vlog. Keep it up. Stay gorgeous. Thank you. Hello, Marichu. Len. Why, thank you, guys. Brittany, 1.4K views. Thank you, guys. So, ayan lang siya. So, I'll just leave it like that in a lower. I thought pinch the noodles, and if it doesn't say ouch, it's done. Oh, I like that, Vilma. I like that. That's funny. Cheese, isabay sa creamy. Ay, sosyala na yan. Ito ang sa akin. Pang masa lang to. So, ano ba to? Remove desire. And grease baking sheet. Placing baking sheet in the oven. Or until desired browning. Of course, it's for... Masarap daw ito. So, dalawa. I'll just make 2. Sino nakatry na nito? Sino nakatry na nito? Ayaw nilagay sa sauce. Oh, you know what? I forgot. Oh, look at this. So, it says, hold on ha. Baka makalimutan ko. 375 preheat oven. 375. Ungrease baking sheets. Ungrease daw. So, walang grease. Ganyan lang siya. It says ungrease. So, like that lang, di ba? Charanan na to. Ayan. Kalorky na. So, ay, ginoo ko. Ang laki naman ito. So, I'll just put this. Ayan. And then, I have potato. French garlic bread. Ay, ang dami na niyan, madam. Ay, parang hindi ko pa. So, ayan, I have this potato cooking also there. And, ayan. So, this is like a 3-hour deal. 3.5 hours. We'll see. Matagal pa daw yan. So, ayan siya. Then, tapos, no, I have missing in that. No, may missing ako. So, nasaan yung timer ko? Ayan. So, I forgot. Meron palang kulang ang Italian ko. May Italian seasoning. I put Italian seasoning in my spaghetti. That's all. That's what I forgot. So, there's no limit to this. This is so yummy. This is so yummy, guys. This is so yummy.
Where's my bowl?
So, your bowl is over there in the corner. So, ayan. It will give so much flavor na para na kayong nasa Italy. Para ganun. Wrong silverware. So, ayan. So, ganyan lang siya. Thank you, Gina Carol. O, diba? And, the tinapay, I have to heat up the oven first. And then I have to put it in there. Yes, ayan na siya. Garlic powder too. And this. Gusto ko talaga yung ano. Ito. So yummy. Ang sandok na po, luto na. Hello, Miss Zane Arqueza. I love to put basil in my spaghetti sauce. Maano na yan siya. It's a mix naman ito eh. Meron na to siyang mga anik-anik. What did you boil and it's done? Please be clear in the broccolini. What do you mean? Yeah, you just boil make it, you know, just... saan ba to? Wala pala. Wala palang ingredients dyan. No, what I did, gusto ko lang siyang until, tingnan mo yan, until the side, make the, mga ganon. Alright, lagyan natin ng garlic sauce. Aray ko. So, garlic sauce. Charang. Hello, Marietta. Hello, Masher. Masher. Wala na pong magic sarap, guys. Baka maging maging binignit na to. hanggang lang po ako. Any Italian seasoning, yes, as long as it says Italian seasoning like that. Ganyan lang. Tapos lagay nyo. Does it matter how much you put in there? Hindi yan, hindi yan mag-react ang meat. But yes, hanggang ano lang po ako, garlic. Ha? Other suggestion, maging bilo-bilo na to. Ang dami na magic sarap. Wala na. ano nang mangyari nito? Patay na tayo dito. Mukhang pang party yan, madam. Di ba ang dami, pero maubos ito. Meron naman kaming konti later tomorrow. Oh, call James and Daddy Ivory to get ready. Add ka po ng oregano. Wala na guys, wala ng oregano. I-taste natin. Meron na kasi silang meron na ditong oregano. Meron na silang guys. Oh. It's yummy. Even me, I like it. Charot. Yan, tapos na yan. Kasi luto na kasi ang meat. Gusto mo lang i-soak siya. Dahil kami lang man kasi. So, ayan.
More, please.
Yeah. Oh, si Ivory, oh. Hello, Tita Dory. How are you? Ayan si Ivory. Ah! Let me do it. Let me do it. See? Nagustuhan na... Okay, then you need a lot of... you need a big plate. Nagustuhan niya ang spaghetti kasi may salt na siya. At... Ay! Munay ka! Munay. Lechon. Lechon miasis. Shalola por Eleanor. Ayan, nagustuhan ni Ivory ang spaghetti kasi...
More.
Get more if you ever need more. Kasi ang spaghetti...
I want so much more. I want so much more.
No, after you done with this. Kasi yung spaghetti ko may
Give me one more piece.
Oo nga. Palagyan. Okay na siya. Okay na po. Hala, natumba akong... I don't know, baby. But it's really yummy na. Naghintay na lang ako sa aking bread. Gusto ko sanang dipping with dipping sauce. Spread with something tasty on a snack. Masarap daw ito eh. Sabi ng mother-in-law ko. Yeah. Just a tiny bit of sauce so that you'll get... Huh? What, baby? Hello? Hi, come on in.
Okay.
Come on in our messy house.
One thing, I don't
She
like
wants to play. I just need to run and get some dog food. I'll be right back.
Oh,
So
she can
just-
play and all.
Okay, I should be back in about 30 minutes.
No worries.
And then just send her up when you're ready.
Oh, fine.
And I'm gonna come back. I need to do that.
Big one, sure. Okay. Sound good. Thank you.
Are you making some spaghetti?
Yeah, do you want some? You like spaghetti, right?
Oh yeah.
Do you have Papa John? Do you have Papa John cheese?
Papa John cheese? I don't have Papa John. Do you have Papa John cheese?
Yeah.
I don't even know what that is.
It's
Parmesan.
Oh, Papa John. Papa John cheese.
yes, we have some Papa John cheese.
I don't have. I wish I do. I love him too.
All right. How you been?
Good.
Good.
It's
Ganda.
so quiet and peaceful at my job.
Oh.
Ah.
Oh, I didn't. They all quit.
Oh my goodness.
Yes.
Yeah.
Ashley.
I know you said somebody quit you was lonely.
Mama, I mean, I want
and
some.
then-
Okay, give me a sec.
And then
Oh, nagkagulo na. Hello, Tita Dory. How are you? I'm good now, yes.
Even though I have to do everything.
Spaghetti
by
birthday ko
myself,
bukas.
it's
Oy,
not
Rosie.
like there's
Rose, advance happy birthday.
There's no drama.
There's
What's
no
that?
drama, there's nobody actually.
Just give me a second. Let me cook this thing.
I'm glad and I'm sad, but I mean, people are stupid.
I know.
Come on, baby.
And I mean, they're gonna suffer and not me.
You got that right all day long, and that's the truth, man. I mean, oh yeah, screw that job, blah blah blah, and then they're like, oh, well, I guess we're having ramen noodles again tonight. Yes, you are.
Yeah, when they go back to you know, they can't leave work whenever they want. They can't go run and pick up the kids. And
People, a lot of people don't
shopping,
understand
go on
that
the
freedom.
clock. Yeah, all the freedoms they used to have. They
Yeah.
don't have that at the next
Yeah.
job.
So yes, nandito yung kapitbahay ko. Tinan yung buhok
Oh,
ko.
I know. Are you guys
Hindi siya
eating with us
nagstay.
or what?
I was just about to run and get Nina some.
Han, amoy ng neighbor yun.
You guys
Wala
eating
yung,
with us? You wanna eat
kapitbahay ko bang
We have enough spaghetti, but-
nang-invite din yung aning Joanes ko na hindi niya alam kung gaano karami yung aking spaghetti. So, ganyan din siya. Hindi pa niya nga tinignan kung magkano ilan yung spaghetti ko. Nang-invite na siya.
Mom, stop asking to see.
Tapos kanina, pumasok na naman niya ng pahilong tulo. Oy, saan ka pupunta? Saan ka pupunta? Basta may maamoy siya, punta siya dito.
I bet she makes amazing
So,
steak.
ngayon, ano ba yun?
Oh my God.
Good to see you, Tita Dory. It's been a while.
Really? You gonna be 25?
No.
No.
I'm
need
turning
one more bowl of
96.
Oh!
She wants sauce, right? You want sauce?
Yeah.
Oh, she doesn't want sauce either. Wala na, patay na tayo.
Stop. Everybody keep home. Josh. No. Josh.
Sorry. I'm actually short.
Hello.
Yes, Nathan, it's
Girl,
spaghetti.
6'8".
Yes,
Yeah.
Eat spaghetti.
It's
Love
funny, on my dad's
spaghetti.
side, I stand in the
Want
back.
more?
My mom's side, I stand in the back.
Just
Oh,
one.
wait.
Probably like
Yeah,
two.
I gotta get. I
How about
gotta
that?
get in the front. Yeah. But you know, when you stand in the back, nobody can see you.
Yung friend niya
Tiny
sa
head.
ano,
And I can't stand it because my head already looks
magluto
tiny.
ko ng tuyo.
When I go in the front, I'm like, oh, you can tell I'm here. Yeah.
Is my hand small though too?
No, not like mine. Mine's just like teeny.
8. I don't think you know what it is.
I'm excited, mommy.
Alright, come on.
Yeah, Ivor told me it's time to eat. Did Dave,
Well, he wanted to come with me to the store.
Oh, okay, cool. Just so long as he knows it's okay.
Where's James?
Yeah, I just wanted to let her know that I was
Oh, yeah.
going
Yeah,
to the store and
thank
I'll be
you,
back.
thank you.
And when I come back, I'm gonna buy a big jar.
You got it. I have them.
All right.
It was a good day. I just loaded them in my car, so it's perfect.
It looks like it's trying to smell.
So, ganyan lang siya mag-ano. This is informal dinner. Right, Daddy? Here.
It's not informal. This is a fantastic dinner. I'm excited.
Hold on, baby.
Why I gotta hold on?
Because I don't want that.
You don't want me to eat it? This is not for me. This is for your fans. Is that what's going on?
So, then the
No
sauce.
food for Darian.
So, ganyan sila kumain kasi
Where's James?
bread. What
Oh,
brand?
and I'll take out the trash because James is really.
No, he already did.
Oh, he's hurting from yesterday.
He already did took the trash. But he really is hungry.
Okay. Is he asleep or where is he?
No, I don't know where he's at. So, ganyan lang sila. Tapos, kanya-kanyang diskarte.
Ivor, sit down right now before you get in trouble. Hey, buddy.
Spaghetti it is. Hello! Sir Benjian. Gaitos, good to see you. Happy weekend. Julie Antonio, please wear gloves and hairnet if you're gonna cook. It's okay. I'm not an astronaut. I'm fine. I'm just cooking my family. I'm not serving the royal, the royal kingdom.
I feel like I'm in the royal kingdom with this spaghetti.
But even though I don't have hairnet and I don't have any gloves,
You like the sauce?
he's feeling like a royal.
I'm feeling like a king, baby.
he's feeling like a king.
Like a king. King of
No,
spaghetti.
no worries. Do you speak Bisaya or Tagalog, Julie Antonio? I'm so
Mahal
sorry.
kita,
I'm not
baby.
an astronaut. I am cooking for my
Mahal
Joanes.
kita.
What?
Mahal kita.
Mahal din kita.
Bro,
Yes.
I know.
Salamat, Yach.
Salamat, Yoch. Aida Lakdo, hello. Let me know the ingredients, please. Thank you. Enjoy your cooking. Ligaya Lim, okay po. You know what? Very easy po is rewind later. O gutom yan. So ako din, kakain na rin ako. Tapos ako naman, mag-standing ovation lang ako. Mag-standing ovation lang din ako.
Dad, look at this. Dad, look at this whole thing.
Tapos,
Alright, I'm not in a competition. This is only to be yummy, okay? Did you save me some meat for tacos this time?
no. Because I'm going to the grocery tomorrow morning.
I feel like a peasant now.
So,
That's good. No, we're waiting.
di ba? So, ganyan lang siya. Tapos, standing ovation na ako kasi ang gulo ng, tawag nito. Tapos, may bread akong tinitingnan. Ang gulo. Ganyan lang siya.
Not right now. Eat your spaghetti.
Super sarap sana ito if merong cheese. Yun bang parmesan. Michelle, oh, you are the best, B. You do multitasking. Sana kapitbahay na lang kita. Oh, busog tayo palagi, B. Busog tayo. Mahilig akong kumain eh. Hello, Romeo. Mabolo po ako. Hello, Edie Boyley. Florida. Hello, madam. Ganyan lang ako kumain. Tapos masarap sana to yung parmesan. Sarap. Pero wala eh. Lagyan ko kaya ng... Maganda kaya kung lagyan ko ng Eden cheese. Parmesan sana, but I'm out. I don't have any parmesan cheese.
But
May I have a drink, baby?
make sure.
I'll have a Sunkiss or a Dr. Pepper or Mountain Dew.
I'm like, can I eat it? Now we
Here.
can go.
Patch.
Thank you, babe.
So, meron pa pala akong ano dito. Meron pa pala akong salad.
So she took one. She told me to come here, and then she
Oh, it's yummy.
one piece of the pasta just to make sure I eat. Like she gave me, you know how big she gave the piece she had to give me. This big.
Oh, this is yummy.
This small.
Side reel lang. Hairnet's purpose is not for being an astronaut. Is avoid, I like this comments. Avoid from dropping in your food while cooking. Yes, I actually aware po that the hairnet is not for astronaut. But so far, I don't have any complaint
Babe,
or anything
I mean, if you're the school lunch lady, I understand.
that I have hair in their food. I'm not serving the public. I'm serving my lazy family.
Hey, telephone. Telephone.
So, I hope they will eat some hair so that they will learn how to
I'll
cook.
eat your hair, baby.
I'm not serving the public. I'm serving my lazy family.
Lazy.
Mm.
Well, Ivory, answer the phone. Someone's on the phone for you. Say hello.
Baby, they've been calling you.
Hi.
And plus, I'm just kidding. Why would an astronaut wear hairnet? Lord.
Eating with candy.
Mm.
What?
Mga anak kong
Look at me all up.
mga tamad.
What?
I hope my food is not tasty so that they will learn to
Wait,
to cook ba.
Are we done?
My
You
goodness.
hope your food's not tasty.
Yeah, so that you guys learn how to cook. So they say, I hate you cooking. Now I'm going to cook.
Bow!
Like how my friend Amina
Your
was
cooking is good, baby.
like, I have
Don't insult yourself.
I'm just kidding.
Don't kid yourself.
So, do you want one?
I love hair in my spaghetti. My favorite.
We have one customer already.
He loves his spaghetti.
Why is there authentic French bread in the freezer?
Huh?
Why is there authentic French bread in the freezer?
Because I put it there.
Why would it not be with my spaghetti?
What? What?
I know. Gloves, guys. When I was little, kumain ako sa basurahan. Buhay pa ako until ngayon.
I don't really know. I'll think about it.
I am.
Can you tell me that later? Because I'm
Nakakain ako
What's,
ng
what's ending?
I'm just thinking about coming tomorrow.
What's ending?
the
Saturday.
What is it?
bread.
Oh, you
That
did
you're-
make French bread?
Mhm.
Holy cow, how exciting.
Oh.
How exciting!
Are you okay?
So,
Do I seem okay?
parang, hold on.
What do I seem like?
Hey, Angry.
Angry, really? I'm happy. I'm very happy. Yes, I'm like, is this my happiness, Aubrey? Yeah.
Tingnan natin kung,
I don't get
What?
angry.
Yeah, it wasn't. That was smelling like a
tingnan natin
No,
kung
I'm like, I'm happy this food is so good.
may cheese. Tingnan natin. Lagyan natin ng
Yeah.
cheese. Kasi wala, sarap sila parmesan.
I love it.
Nag,
Do that right now.
may nag,
Can we do that right now?
matawa talaga, mag-gloves ka. Ano ba to? Ano?
I just
Atin, di naman yata magluto ng astronaut sa kalawakan. Di ba?
No, if I'm doing it.
Kaloka, di ba? Chararang. Then, grabe naman, oh. Grabe mga brain cells nila.
Hi, buddy.
Sa simple na panginabuhi, wala na yung gloves o helmet.
no, we can't play outside.
Guys, kumain ako sa basurahan. Unang grapes kong nakain galing sa basurahan. Kumain ako ng nag-mold na bread kasi gutom ako noong panahon. Hanggang ngayon, flawless pa rin yung aking ano, ang aking mukhe. And also, when I was little,
I'm still working.
ay
So,
nag-dive ako doon sa katangkungan na nang doon lahat yung mga doon tumatai lahat doon stagnant water with a lot of kangkong. Nag-harvest po ako ng kangkong. Wala pa. Tapos
Aubrey, do you want to spend the night, Mom?
so far naman wala namang ko buhay pa ako until now. May ganon.
'Cause I'll take you
Until
over there,
now.
but I can't stay. I gotta come right back.
Buhay pa ako. So, nasa bahay pa ako, mag-astronaut, mag-ano pa?
Okay.
Nako,
I'll
para
let
na
you know
to.
shortly after I finish eating. You got it. Love you.
Para pa akong ano nito. Para na itong spaghetti, Filipino spaghetti.
Spaghetti ever.
The best spaghetti ever. Yeah, right.
You sure? Yeah. Okay.
There's a lot of Marites commenting your life. No, there's a lot of royalty blood commenting my live.
Coming.
Wow, ang social naman siguro, no? Siguro, tingnan nyo. Pag ako naman naka-gloves, naka-hairnet, naka-apron, naka-white lahat na parang chef, ano kayo masasabi ninyo? Buhay pa ang ex-husband mo. Oo, buhay pa sila lahat. Ayan na. Tingnan natin. Sarap. Wow. Parang I just gained like 30 pounds.
Is that all? In your boobs, right?
Oh my goodness.
Mm.
I can't believe it. But there's not a lot.
Diba? Grabe naman, luluto ka. Grabe. Wala akong kasagang ato ba?
That's good. All right, you want to spend the night at Grandma's? You can put snow in the yard?
There's not that much snow.
Might be in the morning.
Oo nga, kaya nga, sabi ko, hindi naman ako astronaut. Ayan.
But we're not.
May nag-react. Hindi daw nag-hairnet ang astronaut. Kasi hindi naman sila nagluluto daw, sabi ni Tin.
You want to taste it? This one? It's good. It's good. It makes it sweet.
Diba?
It's kind of sour, but it's still good.
Halo ka, baka ma-shock na kayo, naka-hairnet na ako dito. Tapos, ang niluto ko, daing. Oh my God. Naka-hairnet si Joy. Naka-gloves, sosyalan, presented. Ha, talagang napaka-presentable. Tapos, ang niluto, tuyo.
I guess. Shall we give it a go?
Kalorke.
Sure, but why not? Take it fight.
Sosyal na sosyal. Basurero at basurero, buhay, kinakain galing basura. Buhay nga, di nga nagka-COVID. O, di ba, Tin? Grabe, kalorky. Tapos linis-linis na
That
dito.
bread's done yet, baby?
I-
Or is it just burnt?
I changed my mind. This is good.
Hold on. What's good?
Onion
I
and seaweed.
already ate it all.
Onion seaweed?
Yeah.
There's one?
Yeah, if you brought it with her, throw it away. Aubrey, who said you could go outside?
A little bit more.
Who said you could go outside?
Naku, nalate ang aking bread.
No. You see those clean shoes you're wearing?
Di
You
ba?
see those? Get a pair of your muddy shoes and go out there. Are you kidding me?
So, masarap na siya.
Where do you think
Dami kong
muddy
linisan,
shoes
guys, na yabo, na bas, na ano, na
Where do you
yabo
think they
aking...
be? In the bathroom, because they haven't been cleaned. Do not put them on in the house, though. Is that bread still not good, baby?
Not yet.
What in the flip? I want it now!
Okay, okay, just wait.
Okay.
Maybe
What
it's
do you
done.
mean?
Hey,
Him?
You didn't put butter on it in there? Careful, it's hot, sweetie.
Not yet.
You're supposed to put butter on it. Okay.
The
Good job,
instruction-
honey. Good job.
The instruction did not
Here.
ask for butter.
Put it right here.
Alright.
Well, the instructions don't know what it's talking about. Are you crazy?
Ah!
Are you crazy? Why'd you do that?
Alright, now, hold on.
Carbs, 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 carbs. We're gonna get fatty, fatty, fatty. Why do you keep touching it?
What should I do?
You should get a glove that you're wearing. Wow.
Yes, I have gloves now.
Yep. And a hairnet.
Ooh, yum.
Yeah, why are you destroying it? Stop. This is horrible. This poor bread. Why are you applying so much pressure? This is a bread knife. Look.
Oh.
Go like that. Well, you have a crappy knife. That's not my fault. But you pushed down and you destroyed it. It's ruined.
Kailangan ng
It's horrible. Where's the garlic butter?
I don't have garlic butter.
What in the world did you buy French bread without garlic butter?
No, that is your mom's.
Right, we need garlic butter.
Here, I have only butter.
Nope, I'm good.
You don't want it?
Nope, I'm good. Peace out. Peace out. Wanna eat my bread? I'm out of here.
Hello ko? Laro yan siya. Kinahanglan siya katong, ano ba, gabas. Kala mo karne, di ba? Marichel, first time to watch your video ka na ma-enjoy evening, you do your family. Thank you. Marichel, I love your beauty now, my dear pretty joy. Love you. Thank you, Tita Dory. Love you, Tita. Thank you, thank you. Good to see you then. It's been a while na busy si Tita. Less fat, no? Pero nabusog na ko. Pero sarap nito siya, pero yun nga. Kailangan garlic butter. Marites, ang ganda mo. How old are you? And I love your pagsasalita. 34 na po ako. Emily, ang gwapong asawa, parafo ko yan. Hindi ba? Masyak man po tang mag-hernet tag. Mag-gloves, wow. Hindi ko ma-imagine yung bahay nila. Ganda. Ganyan siya. Sarap. Pero grabe. Busog ako now. Gutom later with rice. Mga 11 o'clock. Iparinta ko yan, Miss Ja. Parentahan ko yan. Para at least kahit pa makabawi naman ako sa trabaho ko dito. Gisami, yes po. You're very visible. Liberty. Last time po na panood kita, very inviting ka. Like, you're charming, Joy. Happy watching. From Tarlac City. Thank you, Miss Liberty. Sara Ulik, yan ang favorite namin. Kaya lang, binigay ito ni Bianan. Binigay ito na Bianan kasi daw masarap. Masarap sana kung meron akong garlic butter na naka-prepare or mga ganon-ganon. Kaya lang, hindi sinabi sa box eh. Ako, wala. Busog na. Gutom later with rice. Tingnan mo yung rice ko, nahulog pa. Na ano ko, na, ayan oh, ang rice ko, nahulog. Kawawa yung rice ko. Pinag-anuhan ko na, sayang yung rice ko. Pero kainin ko pa yan. That is a clean rag, you guys. Mag-visit naman to si, si astronaut. Kakainin ko yung rice na yan dyan sa ano. Kasi heat up ko lang yan sa microwave, patay na yung germs. Tapos mabubwisit na naman si Matrites dito. Hindi ka magandang influensya kasi kumakain ka, hoy guys. That's rice. 2 minutes kahit 30 minutes rule yun, madam. Kanina, mga 10 minutes na yan. Pero, i-heat up ko siya ng mga 30 minutes. No, 2 minutes. Lalabas na yan si Parites. Oh, hindi ka ba ganda influensya? Mas malinis pa nga yan dyan kaysa sa basurahan. Ay, ako. Hello, Len Maharaji. First time. Welcome sa ating first time. Arte guys, matay kayo. Punta pa rin kayo sa lupa. Ito talaga arte. Basta hindi lang yan talaga may book ng ano, wala. Basta hindi lang yan. Basta niluto lang yan. Kaya basta gutom ako, kain ako ng kain kahit saan pa ako. Oy, sangag, very good. Ay, ang smart talaga ito ni Christine. Hoy, ang sarap kain pagkaluto ng rice ko na anuhin ko ba? Pagpunta ko doon, yun bang space mo na dami kasi mga anik-anik. Tapos, I'm so proud guys, nagtapon ako, naglinis ako dyan sa naglinis ako, tapos inorganize ko lahat ng mga drawer, mga ganun-ganun earlier. Tapos, magtapon daw ako. Ang nakita kong itapon, ito lang 2. Sabi ko, marami pa ring stuff. Kailangan ko pa rin itapon. Sabi ni Ang saya natin ngayong gabi, Joy. Aliw na aliw ako, diba? Gunda naman, Miss Gina Altaque. Nakakaloka ang mga astronaut. Marites ngayon, naka-astronaut na. My goodness. Kala nila hindi fried rice yan later. Tapos sosyalan pa ang sosyalan pa yung tawag nito, with chorizo de Cebu. Kain ko yan sa mga bisita ko bukas. May ganun ba? O hindi, sayang yan. Mahal kayang bigas. O hindi na kami nakita ng bigas ngayon sa Costco. Kailangan mas mura kasi doon sa Costco at saka sa Sam's Club yung mga kaysa sa Asian market. Mga $10 more sa Asian market. So, huwag kayong maingay. Pakain ko nila Maria Mercedes yung mga hinayupa kong friendship bukas. Hindi. Akala nila. Hindi, kainin ko yung mamaya. Gutom ako. tanungin nyo yung mga MBU ladies, pag sabihin ko ako'y gutom at talagang babangon ako. Sosyala ng mga marites ngayon. Naka-astronaut na. Na-flat yung tilapay ko damputin ko na yun. Huwag ka makalala, madam. Susyalan ang yan mamaya. Damputin ko na yun. Kasi, sayang. Damputin ko na para yung 2 minutes rule, mga hindi maging 2. Grabe naman to. Yun ba, ang dami mo nang nahirapan na talaga ako, guys. Kargador ng South Carolina, di ba? Mag-complain. Lalabas naman yan si astronaut mamaya. Kasi lalabas na naman yan si astronaut. Ang mga marites ngayon naka-astronaut na. Ganyan. Ay naku, okay pa to eh. Ay naku, okay pa to. Di lang naman. Ayan, ito ang anti-COVID. Tawag nito. So, may respeto naman ako konti sa sahig. So, hindi ko naman yan yun lang mga Himitin natin kung wala bang bulbul na kan. wala bang nakan dito. Wala, okay. Okay na siya. Okay. Nasa ang mga marites. Bigyan daw ng high honors. Ay, nako. Di ba? Inisan ko yan mamaya. At least ako na yung kamagulangan. So, yan ang aking anti-COVID experience. Ang aking anti-COVID. So, di ba, nagka-COVID na ako. Nag-survive ako, guys. Tingnan nyo. Nagka-COVID ako ng original COVID. Nagka-COVID na rin ako ng yon. Josephine yung sa ibabaw. Sayang. Mahiya naman tayo. Sasabihin, tutulog na yan mamaya. Chat. Gutom daw. Gutom talaga ako. Tingnan mo. Ito, gutom ako mamaya nito. Tapos, ano ba sabi ko? Nagka-COVID na ako ng Omicron. Nagka-COVID pa ako ng original na COVID. Kasi hindi yung Delta, yung unang COVID na COVID-19. So, Omicron. Yan lang. Diba? Busog na ako. Hello, Mir! Romelici Twins! Hi, Mir! Yung mga astronaut pakainin ng special fried rice, oh. Parang ang taba-taba ng kinain ko. O, tingnan mo sa Ate Linda, o. Okay na yun, matapon kasi makarma ka dyan. Kasi hindi talaga yan itatapon kasi noong panahon, yung lola ko, kahit isang, ng rice, sabihin, umiiyak ang rice, huwag niyong anuhin. So, nag-iyak ka na yung rice, so, kainin ko lahat. Okay pa yan, sayang naman. Oh, diba? Okay pa, hindi naman si Marites na kaya. Leilani Casilinio, fully vaccinated ka na ba na every day? Bakit hindi ka tumataba? Ang sexy mo ba? Marami kang kinain. Mataba na ako. Malaki yung tiyan ko. Pero mag-exercise din tayo. Yun, yayain nyo yung asawa ninyo mag-exercise para hindi kayo tabain. Masama na yung masyadong malinis. Hindi din ng bakterya. Oo. Yun, masama din. Napaka quiet naman ng life kung walang marites. So, kailangan din natin ng bacteria sa life. Katulad ng challenge sa life na masyadong, tahimik kung walang marites. So, embrace. Sayang pa yan, ma'am. Oh, yes. O, kain ko. Di ba? So, kain kayo ng kain. Okay lang, basta mag-exercise kayo. Tapos, idamay nyo yung mga asawa ninyo. Exercise kayo, habol-habulan kayo sa bedroom. Mga ganun lang, mga 15 minutes, okay na yun. Oh, habol-habulan kayo. Tapos, hey, anuhin mo ako. Habulin nyo ako. Oh, magtapon kayo ng basura. Ano kayo, habulan kayo. Yun, ngayon kami. Then, pag bored ako, sabi ko, I feel fat. Mag-ano siya? Akyat siya doon sa isang bed. Akyat din ako sa kabila. Mag-tumbling ako doon. Tumbling din siya. Pero siya, hinhingal siya first. Tapos buti na lang, nag-change siya kami ng bed. Alma Bulalayaw, yan ang real life. Joy, I like the way you're. Naku. Hindi tayo, hindi naman to, hindi naman ito soap opera na. Tapos si Nathan pa, grabe. Pwede sa bed, sa bathroom, sa kitchen, everywhere. Sa inyong maghabulan kayo matapon ng basura. Oh. Matuwa pa si Marites sa inyo. Ano nangyayari sa kanila? Baka nagka-Omicron na yan sila. Ang Omicron. So, tumaas sa ulo. Naghabulan na. Oh. Ma-entertain nyo naman si
Oh, can I have my stick?
I don't know where your stick. Tapos, para naman ma-entertain si Marites sa inyo na sumeksi ka pa, na-entertain pa si Marites.
Where did you put my stick?
Ay dito namang astronaut. Oh, may astronaut nakapasok. May astronaut nakapasok, guys. Buhusan nyo nga yung tubig. Oh, may nakapasok, guys. Hala, mag-ano ka dyan? Oh, ganyan ang buhay. Ayan, si astronaut nakapasok. Nabubwisit. Ang oras pa dyan, nabubwisit na siya. Wala daw seryoso to sa buhay. Ang kulubot mo, madam. Wakay klaro ka istorya. Ay, sirhan nag-utang? Wako na kay klaro ka istorya. Ay, Bisaya na ito. Oh, ang astronaut. Wala ko ako. Ano bang Tagalog no? Wala daw akong... hindi daw ako matinok kay istorya. Kanina ka sana dumating ang tino-tino namin. Pag gumagabi na kasi, madam, pag gabi nagali, dili na ka, gabi na. Di na ka pasaya-saya kay titanuson na yun. Wala daw akong wala daw akong ano ba yun? Ano ba?
But then
Hindi daw ako matino. Hi. Hindi daw ako katino sa makausap. Hoy, tita. Gimaol. Nang doon lumayas. Wala na. Lumayas na yung asawa ko, madam. After kumain, naglaro yon. Hindi yan siya mag-complain sa akin. Kasi, ano lang ako doon. Ibog lang na siya kay kalipay sa kinabuhi. Ang aga-aga. Tita Linda. Aga-aga. Ay, kaya pala nakapasok si astronaut. Hindi pa ako nakainom ng aking anti-marites. Hindi pa ako nakainom, kaya pala. Kaya nag-wonder ako. Nag-wonder ako. Unsay spaghetti Anselma. Spaghetti po. Spaghetti pababa ng pababa. O, diba? Hindi daw matino kausap. Wala, nabuisit yan siya sa morning. Baka hindi siya hinabol-habol ng kanyang asawa. Hindi kayo naghabulan. May klaro kay story sa buka eh. Taga-asa ko sa Bisaya. Pili lang. Mabulo Cebu or Lanao del Norte. Wala kasabot. Wala kasabot si astronaut. Wala siya kasabot. Hello, Miss Virginia Paislenes. Telma, nabuang Miss Joy na Ili, nakapasok. Ano, yan ba, nabuisit siguro na siya ba? Tapos, nabuisit na siya una, tapos pagtingin niya ako na walang kabuluhan yung pinagsasabi ko kasi hindi niya nag-guess yung starting ng conversation. Ganun ang mangyayari. Kasi pag ganitong live kasi, you have to be also educated enough na ma-relate. Kasi hindi mo maintindihan yung topic kasi sumusulpot ka lang, tapos nagmamarites ka, naka-astronaut ka pa. Tapos, ganyan na lang kasi hindi niya mag-gets. So, yun. So, intindihin na lang natin. Bigyan na lang din natin ng hairnet. Hindi ako naaasar. Ni isa sa kanila, hindi na ako maasar sa kanila. Ay, naku guys. Kasi when it comes down to it, pag may check na ako, hindi sila kahati sa check ko. Hindi yan sila i-block. Lucena, hindi yan kailangan sila i-block kasi viewers yan. Nagtatype pa lang yan na ganito ganyan ka. Count as views na yan. After ko dito, 60,000 views agad. Oh. May problema na siya before siya nag-open. Nandito pa din, May isa pa, Tingnan nyo, how many comments sa inyo dito? Tapos, dalawa lang. Sorry na lang sila, Joy. Kaya wa sila na sweeto nga. Wa tay paki nga tao. Maod jud me. Yes, maod jud na. Wa jud tay paki. And especially ako, na first, while nag-type lang na sila, di nila alam, the more sila mangbabash, the more counted yung mga comments. Kahit pa good man yan or bad, kahit mga scammers nga dito nag-scam, counted yan. Meron yang meron yang ratings kung paano karami ang aking Kaya, huwag kayong mag-alala. Hindi yan sila dapat i-block. Dapat pa nga, inisin pa yan sila tapos para mag-comment more. Ganyan yan siya. Sa lahat ng mga bakla, ako po ang pinakamaganda, charats. Ang ganda kayo ng mga bakla. Maganda pa yung bakla kaysa sa babae. So, it's a compliment. So, it's a pleasure. Ganon. Lucena, Del Norte ata ka, Ma'am Joy. Oo. Lanao Del Norte ka ata. Yes po. May unsay pagkaon. But anyway, you guys, ako'y about to go na kasi maglinis na naman ako, grabe. Mag-ready ako bukas para sa aking mga bisita. Oo, mag-ready din ako bukas para sa aming mga bisita. Tapos hindi ko pa alam, hindi ko pa ako matapos-tapos, pero at least 7:30 na siya dito. Romeo, di ay kagwapa, taga-Kapatagan lang. Tubod ko. Silingan rata. Silingan rata. Alap, ayaw dyan mo pagbuang-buang din ha. Kay lamukon dyan mo. May mga buwis, bumubisit, mas okay yan kasi variety of spice of life. Yes. Tapos, katagal-tagal ko na. 1 year na akong nagbablog. Ano lang yan sila? Gwapa Joy, ipadala yun imong trabaho. Yun, imong trabaho. Ano sa ipadala? Ako yung baklang may matres. Oh my gosh. Ganyan talaga, no? It's okay. Kasi, nandahil din sa kanila, may LLC na tayo. Dami na, Luena. Dumadami na sila. Parang everyday iba-iba eh. Hello, G. Tabison pang Miss Universe ang beauty mo. Thank you so much po. Pang Miss Universe, ang bakla ng beauty ko. Wala na sila. Hindi naman na sila Hindi yan sila naka-epekto sa aking kalamnan kasi pagsahuran, girls, girls, let's go, ganon. Marusana. Baklang man. Ang ganda pa kaya, inaano pa na para kang bakla. Hoy, excuse me. Mas maganda pang bakla sa akin. So, what a compliment. Oy, I take a compliment talaga kasi mga bakla ang gaganda. Wala pa yung mga babae. Talbog tayong may mattress. Yung mga bakla, naku, gaganda kaya nila. Kaya I never take offense. I never take offense of those kind of words. Plus, at the same time, sorry. Ganyan talaga ang buhay. Not fair. Ganyan talaga ang buhay, guys. Not fair. May OA. Pero, ayan. Nakakain. Basurera before. Basurera. Hindi naman ako basurera. Kumakain sa basurahan din. Oh. Oh, ganyan lang siya. Oh, Iligan City ko, ma'am. Oy, ano tayo? Silingan ta. 2 hours. Tubod ko. Oh. Ay, hindi yan siya panira. I mean, hindi ko yan sila pinansin. It doesn't affect me a bit. Kasi you know what? It's just funny. Like, you don't know me. Tapos galit ka kasi nauihan ka. Mahiya ako makipag-away online. Kasi alam ko may magtitingin-tingin na, oy, sino ba tong nang stalk? Ano bang klaseng tao ito? No, naano ako. Tapos mostly naman din ng away is ng babash. Mga ano? Yun bang parang kabweb sa ano. May ganun. Yes, girls, let's go shopping. Iwanan mo yung video kay Marites. Yes. Pabit-bit kay Edith ang nabili natin. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for entertainment and thank you din so much sa ating mga Marites. Kasi it's because of them, we become stronger. Because of them, we become a better person because we don't want to be one of them. So, ganyan siya. So, it's inspiring how people also are so negative because we strive to do better. Ganon. So, you don't want to be those people. So, ayan, thank you so much sa inyong lahat. As always, sa aking, Sis Alex. Hoy, tantanan nyo na yan. O, okay na yan sa, ang dami ng pasa ni Edith. Tao talaga yung gitera. Ganyan talaga. So, don't worry sa akin. I don't mind them. You know, I enjoy them as much as I enjoy the positive feedback. Pero of course, I really do appreciate po. Hello, Doy-Doys. Catherine, Puso, Vanji. I appreciate everything, everyone sa mga lovely comments ninyo. Basilia, Vanji, Mary Jane. Kaso dami ba, sir? Try ko rin nga rin mag-vlog. Kaso, ay, oo. Humanda kayo. Kailangan you have a thick skin and you have a big heart. Being a vlogger, you have to have a thick skin. And you have to have a big heart because it comes in different forms and shapes ang mga taong makikilala ninyo. Hello, Joanne Monteneg. Lagi ako invisible but still watching pa din. Ngayon ko nakita, madam, yung ano nyo. Villaflor Waminal. Ayan, thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, Tita Linda, Ate Linda, Wasi, Pam Liberia, Melinda, Bing Alerta. Thank you so much, guys. So much sa inyong mga time, ha? Have a good night, have a good day, enjoy your weekend. Stay positive, stay well, at saka be inspired always. Ayan. Thank you so much. Thank you, Charity. Thank you, Terry Dano, Doy-Doybs, Abilera, Miss Gigi Ladredo, Madan. We're very close. Mga 5 na lang sigurong numero for ating raffle for a cause. So, any of you na nandito sa US don't wanna join, may 5 number na lang po. Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye for now. Edzon, Alma, Roxy, Herbie. Ayan, thank you. God bless everyone. Bye!